Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm getting ready for my flight. Today I'm going to Kano. Today I'm going to Kano. So this is 4:48 a.m. I woke up since around 3, but I was lazy. Waking up sleeping. But before I know it, it's already 4:48. So I'm already done dressing. I just need to put on my makeup and then set my hair, and I'll be good to go. I'll be leaving here 5:05 a.m. So see you guys. Hey guys, we are in the airport. So we arrived here. I'm going to put the time up, but I don't know what the time is now. So I already did my makeup and I almost did not make it early on the flight. So let's go. Guys, my poster is already here and I'm trying my best. I'm not trying my best or anything. So we just did the signing and I'm walking to the crew lounge to do the whole lock in and then do my briefing and get ready for my flight. Then after the briefing, both captain and everybody will match. Oh, I look fine. Okay. I've been using filter so much that I've forgotten how I actually look in real life. So after that, I'll match to the aircraft and I'll do my pre-flight check and everything. Don't worry, I'll take you guys along with me. Yeah, outfit check. Yeah, because unless I forget, we have different uniform. I think we have like close like 10 or thereabouts. So every day is for a different uniform, or rather every week, every day. So today is Wednesday and this is our uniform for today, and that's because it's Wednesday in a different week. Because Wednesday next week is going to be a different uniform. This one is going to be for Thursday next week. Like you have to cram manual and also cram this one too.
How do you read me? This is CM1. Just let's go with ELS and PSU test, please.
Okay. I read you loud and clear. How do you read me? I just got to the aircraft now, not long. I'm about to do my checks. My phone should not fall down. We use the loper to do our checks. equipment checks completed at the rear. Very important. My seat. Marvelous L2 station. Yes? Okay. Okay, let me check. But it's not going to be enough for the 4 legs.
Okay, okay.
Okay, the points to the nose. So I am going to bring all my amenities for the lavatory. Hello guys. So we just did our first leg. Let me tell you guys something. Let me tell you guys something. So when I was giving my descent announcement, I mistakenly said Murtala Mohammed Domestic Airport instead of Kano. You know, I forgot that we're actually going to Kano. I totally forgot. I thought we were going to Lagos because I usually do Lagos flights. I don't know what's wrong. So everyone just, all the passengers were like, no. And I got myself. I was not like, I beg your pardon, please. This flight, where we finally commenced our final descent into Malam Aminu Kano International Airport, Kano. And I laugh. God, I don't know what makes people laugh when I do mistake or do something. I don't know. But yeah, that's what it is. Anyways, we're going to Lagos now. They're doing what are they even doing? They're cleaning the aircraft. After that, moving to Lagos. Yeah. Hi. Guess who is in the guest house? So yeah. I'm on my way home now. So we just got to the guest house. Yeah. Hey guys. So I just came back. Oh, hey guys, so I just came out from my flight not long ago, so I'm going for a run. Yeah, just to keep fit. This is what I'm talking about. To keep fit. When I come back, I'll do sit up. I want my tummy to be firm. Anyways, see you guys. Bye bye. So I can't even run for 1 minute. What has happened to me? I just ran for a few seconds and my chest is beating really fast. And I want to drink water. And I'm already tired. What? No. We have to be fit. So far, I don't think I'm fit. So it's back home, me. So I couldn't do jack. I ran for a while and then it felt like the world was on my legs. I couldn't run for 1 minute or even 2 minutes. And then I tried a couple of times, it wasn't working. Then I decided to take a walk, which I'm used to. So I think I'll just start doing this every day until, and I'm going to time myself. So I'll work, I'll run at least for like 1 minute every day. So I'll get my balance back. I think I will do it morning and evening. So now what I want to do next is I'll try and do sit up. It's been long. I just sit up. Try and do sit up. Now I'm so hot, but it's good. By the time I finish sweating like this, I go to the shower, take my bath, wear my nighties, and I'm set to sleep. Eat if I can, and then have a refreshing night. So let me do and get up, and then go and sit up. I'll try and do 100 sit up. The minute 70. That's it.